Hi everybody, it's Millie. It's Tuesday, April 21st, and this is a video from John E. Hoover's page on YouTube. I'm going to go ahead and play it and just copy it on my phone and then upload it. I think it's important for everybody to hear this. It's more confirmation of the lies they've been telling us. So let me start the video.
What's up, baby? All right, man. Where do you go, baby? You can take out the mask, Doug. The case fatality rate's like 0.1 to 0.3 according to USC. Is it really? That's reassuring. USC. Everybody here's been vaccinated anyway. USC and LA County Public Health came out with a study. They found that there are 7,000 cases in California, but they really believe that there are anywhere from 221,000 to 442,000 people who were infected. Really? Yeah.
So that makes it 0.1 to 0.3. Does a study to give out right there?
Yeah, just give it to that. So it suggests the case fatality risk is 10. Wow. Which puts you right in line with the flu.
Yeah, exactly. That's what it is.
So it was a hoax. I don't think it was a hoax.
So there you have it. Like I said, the name of his YouTube channel. Well, stop it.
There's 7.
Sorry, trying to get his name up here, not get John E. Hoover YouTube. He's also been investigating the massacre that happened in Las Vegas, and he has so much proof that it's not what they've told people. Surprise, surprise. Anyway, I thought this was important to pass on. I will put his link to his YouTube channel in my description. The lies get bigger and bigger, and they're already vaccinated. So why are they, making all this noise about, oh, you can't get a vaccine for 18 months. Not that I'm going to take a vaccine, because I don't want nothing to do with their tests and nothing to do with their vaccines. But they lie to the people. They terrify the people. But this is what they tell each other when they think nobody's around listening. So, God bless everybody. Keep your eyes on Jesus. Forget the fear. There was a story I read in my daily Bible study of a outbreak somewhere in the world, in one of the third world countries. I can't remember if it was cholera or whatever it was. It was very bad. People were dropping like flies, and they had, the sick people quarantined in areas. A Christian believer went in and cared for those people with no mask, no protective covering. He went in daily and cared for them. He never got sick. Finally, the authorities couldn't stand it any longer and asked him, how can you come in here and take care of these people and never get sick? And the man said, well, it's simple. I'm a Christian, and I'm so full of Jesus that he comes out of the pores of my skin and he kills, his presence kills any virus or any any deadly disease that would be trying to harm me. And they looked at him and kind of, yeah, right, sir. He goes, I'll prove it to you. He said, bring samples of your disease and I'll hold it in my hand and I'll show you that Jesus will kill it because it's nothing to him. And I'm under his protection and I am so close to him and so full of him that he oozes out of my pores. So they went and got a specimen, placed it in his hand, and he gave it back to them. They looked at it under a microscope and it was dead. Now that's one of the neatest stories I've heard. Wouldn't you, as Christians, want to be so full of Jesus that any deadly thing that would be sent, to try and kill you or harm you would drop dead the minute it touched you because Jesus is coming out of your pores? I can't think of a much better way to face any of these fears that they're trying to, they've been throwing at everybody's face. People are so confused, they don't know which way is up. But get close to Jesus. Ask him to pour out of your soul, out of your pores, that no sickness or evil would touch you. Look up, for your redemption draws nigh. God bless everybody. And the link will be in the description. Bye-bye.